Quick Applied Molded Pipe Seal, VGC-8.1. Versico's Quick Applied Pipe Seals are available for either VersiGard Black or VersiGard White EPDM membranes. The Quick Applied Pipe Seals consist of a cured pre-molded EPDM flashing for pipes from 1 to 6 inches in diameter. Quick Applied Pipe Seals have pre-applied QA seam tape that results in an easy and high-quality installation. Place the pipe seal over the pipe to size it for the penetration. Remove the pipe seal and cut above the rib on the pipe seal where the pipe had contacted the pipe seal. Position the pipe seal over the pipe and pull it up to turn it inside out. Apply a constant bead of water cut-off mastic around the pipe where the stainless steel clamping ring will be installed. Prime the membrane with Versico's EPDM primer. Reposition the pipe seal down over the pipe. Without putting tension on the flange, peel the clear poly from the bottom of the flange. To remove trapped air, apply hand pressure while wiping toward the outside edge of the flange. Roll the completed splice with a 2-inch wide roller. Install a stainless steel clamping ring and tighten for constant compression on the water cut-off mastic.